Hey guys, it's Heather. I'm going to go through a little back-end tutorial of Showit and how to import your new template design into your website. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is add that share key that you received in the digital download to your new site. So once you've logged in, you'll click on your name here at the bottom and choose Add to Library. This is where you're going to paste in that new share key. I've already added it to my site, but you'll just hit enter when you're done. So then in order to get the page populated, you're going to choose the plus sign over here. I'm going to go through this entire demo using the links page template, but this works the exact same for any template that you purchase for a Showit website. When you choose the plus button, you're going to select new page and then navigate up here to my library and you'll see that new page imported. The two main things to keep in mind here is when you import it, if you add it immediately, it's going to keep the original design from the template. So as you see, everything's previewed here. If you want, you can go ahead and at the bottom, you can choose Apply My Fonts and Colors. This will go ahead and try to auto swap the branding from your current website with the templates. So as you see these changing, it's importing the colors, fonts, and text from the branding within my website. So choose whichever one works best for you. I'm going to stick with the original design. So once you've added it here, a little bit of the navigation backend of Showit, your screen might look a little bit different from mine. Sometimes these side tabs get minimized. So if that's the case and you're not seeing the navigation that you need, be sure to check these little side tabs and you can click the arrows to open those back up. You can also change the view down here at the bottom if you want to just work on the mobile version or the desktop version, as well as some of these overlay grids. For example, you can remove that, change it back, zoom in and out, all the things. So I'm going to just focus on the desktop version for right now to show you this demo. So the things that you're going to need to start, obviously you're going to want to swap in any images for your personal branding as well as changing out the links for this template specifically. So in order to do that, you're going to click on the text here, double click, type in whatever you need. And more about me. And then in order to make this a hyperlink, what you'll see over here on the side navigation bar is click actions. You are going to select whatever type of action you want. Most of these are probably external URLs. And then you're just going to paste in that URL here. So you'll do that for all of these different links to make sure that they're functioning the way that you need for your website. As well as swapping out the images, you will just click on the image here. If you see the image tab over here on the right, again, double click. I always recommend making this as personal as possible. So swap out a photo of you, and then you'll see it also changed that image in the mobile view as well. So the other thing I wanted to quickly show you, besides changing text and images, you can also swap out the pages that are included. So if you see over here on the left-hand side, you're going to click on the page tab, and this shows you all of the canvases and elements that are located in this quick links page. It might be that your site right now, you really only want this original canvas that just has the links. You might not need this About Me section or the business tools and resources. If that's the case, you can see those other tabs for the additional canvases located here. If you click on them and then reveal these three dots on the side, you can delete the entire canvas. But what I recommend instead of deleting would just be to hide it from view. It might be that your business is just not at a place yet where you have these additional sections to add in, but you might in 6 months to a year. So if you don't want to delete the design completely and want to be able to come back and work on it, I would just uncheck where it says visible on desktop and visible on mobile. So that section's now hidden from view. Even if you publish your site, no one's going to see it, but it's still available on the back end if you want to go through and edit it in the future. So that's just a few quick notes about operating the template. Of course, when you're done and excited to share with everyone, make sure you hit the publish button. The template will now be located at your website's name and then whatever the page is called. So for this, it would be Heather Dodge Creative /social links. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope this was helpful.